Each company has its own advertising policy. It's an excellent recipe for promoting your products and encouraging potential customers to make a purchase in your store. Many people claim to hate advertising, but is it truly the case? If it wasn't for ads, you wouldn't have most of the items you currently own. So, how to effectively reach buyers and attract their attention? Remarketing is one of the methods of doing so. If you run an online store, you must have heard about Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords. The system we are talking about allows you to publish text, image, and video advertisements. Most frequently, it is possible to encounter Google Search Network campaigns displayed at the top or at the bottom of the page and marked with an ad sign. You've certainly come across Google Ads while browsing the internet and have seen websites containing special advertising spaces with banners. These banners are used to provide redirects to online stores and can come in a variety of forms mentioned above. As a part of its advertising program, Google Ads offers a campaign called Remarketing. Thanks to it, users see products or services offered on websites they have already visited. Numerous ads make it easier to reach potential customers and improve sales. If someone has entered your website, browsed its content, or showed interest by clicking on a given product or watching a Facebook video, remarketing will help you reach such people. It's possible to enable remarketing software on individual subpages of your website. Many companies are fond of tracking customers' shopping carts. Seeing ads of products that have been almost bought by users in the past will certainly attract their attention. Remarketing can also be used for specific products and categories. Let's imagine that you sell home appliances. You want to improve sales of TVs, for example, so you create a remarketing campaign related to the keyword TV. It will be targeted at users who have browsed your website and looked for TV offers. Consequently, the above-mentioned TV offers will be displayed as ads to specific people when they browse other websites. Combining remarketing with incentives such as discounts or free shipment can encourage potential buyers to finalize the transaction. If you want to know more about how to increase your sales, get in contact and send us an email at info@megamo.co.uk for more details. Thank you.